सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 339, verse 281. आदाव विद्यया चित्रैः स्वकार्यै जृम्भमानया युद्ध्वा बोधो जयत्सोऽद्य सुदृढो बाध्यतां कथम्. Vidyaranya in these shlokas concluding that Jnani is free from all activities, or Jnani can involve in activities. There is no any compulsory rule for a Jnani whether to do activities or not to do activities. It is purely his or her own choice. But when Jnani is interacting with the world, will he not get this attachment or problems in the world? Again samsara, will it not crop up? For that Acharya says, once that ajnanam has gone, it will not cause any kartrutva bhavana, bhoktritva bhavana in the jnani's mind. If real jnanam takes place, there is no any doership, enjoyership, or even knowership also. Knowerhood, doerhood, enjoyerhood, all hoods are driven out once jnanam takes place. This doerhood, knowerhood, enjoyerhood, all are the karyams, the products of avidya. Avidya is the mother. From that mother, ignorant mother means avidya is the mother. That's why akaranta strilinga, avidya. From that mother, children like knowerhood, doerhood, enjoyerhood, all of them, the products, karyani, they are all karyams. Avidya and their products, will they arise in, once jnanam comes, how they can arise? It is a very technical portion. Previous two examples, what Acharya said, the dead rat cannot kill the cat. Dead rat cannot threat the cat, it cannot kill the cat. First he said that. And what he said, one more point also, even live cat cannot threat the cat or it cannot kill the cat. What to talk of dead rat? Live rat, rat cat thirimilliyo. The live rat itself cannot threaten or kill the cat. Where is the question of dead rat killing or threatening the cat, live cat? Similarly, that ajnanam, dead and gone, avidya, it cannot threat the wise person, the knowledge of that wise person, it cannot come and threat. Why? Avidya, dead and gone. After studying what Gita, Upanishads, Prakarana Grandhas, the knowledge has come after 1 decade or 2 decades. Once knowledge comes that what dead rat ignorance cannot come and threaten the jnanam of that jnani or jnanam. Live rat itself cannot threat. Live rat means what? Even avidya, before also, really speaking, avidya belongs to lower order of reality. It cannot threaten. What to talk of dead rat, dead avidya? It cannot. Then another example he gave in 280th verse, Pashupadastram. When a Pashupadastram cannot destroy a person, what to talk of that arrow which doesn't have a metal part in front of it without any sharp metal portion, how it can hit and kill the person? So very nice examples we have to apply to the Ashtanta and we have to absorb the teaching. Having said those two examples, in this verse, avidya karyam cannot come and threat the knowledge, jnanam. Jnanam, where is that jnanam? In that person, in jnani. Jnani has got a jnanam, that jnanam cannot be disturbed by that avidya, which is dead avidya or alive avidya. Dead, gone. That's why he is called Jnani. Look into the shloka. Adau avidyaya chitraihi swakaryaihi jrumbhamanaya. While studying, before knowledge itself, while doing sadhana, Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter onwards, from 12th shloka, 11th shloka to 25th shloka, there itself he has killed what? Avidya. He or she is supposed to kill, but very rarely people kill there. It's not so easy. 2nd chapter, custom. Somehow managed to destroy that avidya, adau itself. Adau. If the person is a tevra mumukshu, sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha, comes to the class, adau eva chitraihi swakaryaihi jrumbhamanaya avidyaya. They are all in the beginning itself avidya karyams. Swakaryaihi means their karyams. What are their karyam? Kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, all those their products. They are all adau avidyaya saha. They all gone when yudhva bodhaha ajayat. This jnanam, bodha means jnanam. Jnanam means jnani. Okay, don't take separately. Jnanam asya asti iti jnani. Therefore jnanam you can say. Bodhaha yudhva, having fought with that avidya and its karyams, ajayat. This jnanam won the what? Won that fight in that battle. Won the battle. Won the battle means what? W-O-N, won. Okay. Won the battle. Battle of what? Battle with whom? Avidya and their karyam. My family, my husband, my son, my daughter, my property, my house. This all are karyams. Avidya karyams. This jnani fought with them adau itself, in the beginning itself, as the Guru teaching. Tyage naike amritatvamanasih aham mama idam namama. Dropped the attachment, dropped the abhimana. All of them dropped adau eva ajayat, means mithyatva nischayam. This much alone is not sufficient for our understanding. We have to go more deep into that. What Vidyaranya want to say, when knowledge comes, avidya is destroyed. We say, what is the function of avidya? Avidya has got two functions. Ignorance has got two functions. It is not there in the shloka at all. But we have to draw the corollaries. We have to draw the corollaries. Avidya does two actions. One is, it has got two powers. Two powers means Avarana Shakti and Vikshepa Shakti. Avarana Shakti means concealing power. Concealing power. What it conceals, avidya? It conceals my real nature. Avarana, avidya does two functions. One function is Avarana Shakti. It has got Avarana Shakti, it conceals. What it conceals? My Brahman nature it conceals. My ignorance has got a power. It conceals my nature, Atman nature. My own ignorance conceals my own nature, Atman nature. It is called concealing power. Second function of avidya is, once it conceals, it causes vikshepa, distraction. So that is called Vikshepa Shakti. That Vikshepa Shakti alone is called Pramatrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, Kartrutvam. All these Jivatvam, Dasatvam, Punya Papa, that I am bound, Baddhaha, Aham, all these are all come under Vikshepa. If you want to understand this, again I will go further subtle example. If I give you understand what is Vikshepa, what is Avarana. You have understood but not clearly. I have given example also but not clearly you are able to understand. We will go to example, what is Avarana, what is Vikshepa. You know that. Once again I remind you, Archana Mavi Arikaradane teaching Anna. Go on repeating. In semi-darkness, I see their rope as a snake. Rope is covered. Because of semi-darkness, rope is not appearing as rope. Ropeness is covered. Because of that covering, veiling power, I see the snake upon that. That is called Vikshepa. Seeing one thing as something else is called Vikshepa. Not able to see the something as same something is called Avarana. Not able to see the rope as rope is called Avarana. Because rope is covered from my eyes. Because of semi-darkness. That is called avidya. Avidya first function, Avarana function. Once that rope is not rope for me, I see something else. What is that something else? Someone can see it as a snake, or someone can see it as a garland, someone can see it as a water stream, someone can see it as a stick, big long stick, danda. Anything other than rope. Rope is covered, Vikshepas can be many. Avarana and Vikshepa. Now you understand easily what is Avarana, what is Vikshepa. That is Drishtanta. Now come to same Darshtanta. Aham Brahmasmi is covered. Aham Atma Satchit Ananda Atma Asmi is covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered. Veiled. First function. Once that Aham Brahmasmi is covered, not able to know myself as Brahman, I see myself as something else. Once I miss myself as Brahman, Atma, then what naturally happens? I take myself as something else. I mistake. I miss my Atman nature and take myself as something else other than Atma. Other than Atma, what is there? Anatma. If I miss to take myself as Atma, I take myself as something else. Other than Atma, what must be there? Anatma. Then I take myself as Anatma, body-mind complex. Veiling, Vikshepa Shakti. Priyardo, Nanna Priyarda Nenikara. I am enjoying. This is very, very interesting subject. So vikshepa. Aham dehaha, aham patri, aham patihi, aham putraha, aham putri, aham sodaraha, aham sodari. Like that, vikshepa comes. This is called preparation. Now I have prepared. What is avidya? Its two functions. What are they? Avarana Shakti, Vikshepa Shakti. So Ajnana Kale, Avarana Shakti bhavati, Vikshepa Shakti api bhavati. Ajnana Kale, before knowledge, both are there. Isn't it? After coming to Shastra, after studying for length of time, after struggling to understand so much time, Avarana has gone. But Vikshepa will not go. Karana Sharira has gone. In Karana Sharira only Avidya is there. Avarana is there. That Karana Avidya, Avarana Shakti, the partial function of with Avidya has gone. Dead, almost dead. Avarana. But in Jnani, the Sthula, Sukshma, Sharira continues. Prarabdha continues for Jnani also. Continue Ahanama, Vendama. Humma, Irikuno. Jnani, we want Jnani. Otherwise, Jnani also dies after knowledge. Namakepudi Jnana varum. So, Jnani Irikuno. So, Jnani is there. Jnani is there means with what body? Jnani has got Karana Shariram also, Sthula Shariram also, Sukshma Shariram also. But Avarana has gone from Avidya, Karana Shariram at Bija level, almost dead. Almost dead. But superficial gross body, just in Mahabharata, Lord Krishna said, what? Arjuna, I have already killed whom? Bhishma, Drona, I have already killed them. You are going to kill whom now? Only physical bodies. Their prarabdha is already over. I know that. I have already destroyed them. Nee naamke vaasti koncham appadi baanam appadi vidu podum. Adi madri Karana Avidya has gone, Avarana, but for the sake of society, for humanity, Jnani has to continue in the gross body, subtle body. Vikshepa Shakti continues for Jnani also. It has to continue. Jnani should know the students, the Shishyas, when they are smiling, when they are understanding, Jnani ka anandama illaya? Irukkum anandam. If they understand well, Jnani is so happy. Is it not Vikshepa Shakti? Sishya understanding, so happily listening, and the Guru is also happy. Vikshepa Shakti continues for Jnani. Only partial destruction of Avidya, one part Vikshepa Shakti continues. That is why Jnani also has got some Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, Pramatritvam is there for the continuation of this body, survival. Vikshepa Shakti is required. For that only this sloka. If Vikshepa Shakti continues, partial portion of Avidya continues, and that Pramatritvam, Bhoktrutvam, Kartrutvam continues, because they are only Avidya Karyam. Is it not? That Karyams continues, will they not afflict that person? No. That Vikshepa is as good as non-existent for a Jnani. Even though it continues, this is a crucial point. Even though that Vikshepa continues, Jnani continues in the society, among people, Jnani will not give reality to that Vikshepa, power of Avidya. Why? Vikshepa is false. It belongs to Vyavaharika Satyam. Kartrutvam also mithya, Bhoktrutvam mithya, Pramatritvam mithya. Can that mithya, Bhoktrutvam, Pramatritvam can disturb the Jnani? They will not disturb. That is the meaning of this shloka. आदौ अविद्यया चित्रैः स्वकार्यैः जृम्भमानया युद्ध्वा बोधः अजयत् फुल स्टॉप सः अद्य सुदृढः बाध्यतां कथम् Once he has got such a knowledge, sudrudaha bodhaha, the firm knowledge, confirmed, no doubt at all, doubtless knowledge. Katham, how can it badhyatam saha, how can it afflict him, how can it disturb him? That mithya vikshepa shakti. That is why we say that naga, pambu, Shiva wears it as an alankara. It represents ahankara. The serpent represents ahankara. Lord Shiva wears it as a haram. It will not harm him. Nagendra haraya. Nagendra haram. Serpent represents ahankara. That serpent ahankara will not disturb the Lord Shiva. Similarly, Gnani ahankara is a bhushanam, natu dushanam. For Gnani, ahankara is a bhushanam. For the sake of society, his ahankara is a bhushanam, alankaram. It will not disturb him. Katham badhyatam? Mithya ahankara cannot disturb. Functional ahankara. Like fried seed. Fried seed like. Further continues. 282. Tishtham tvajnana tatkaryam shamabodhena maritam na bhitir bodha samrajah कीर्ति प्रत्युत तस्य तैः. Nice example and comparing the further explanation. It is a metaphor figure of speech. He is presenting in metaphor figure of speech. He says, Bodhena maritaha. By knowledge he has killed. Maritaha means he has killed. Gnani has killed or Gnanam has killed. Gnanam has killed means Gnani has killed in artha. What he has killed? He has killed Ajnana tat karya. Ajnanam and tat karyam. He has destroyed them. Avidya and its karyam, knowerhood, doerhood, all any other anatma, aham, mama, all of them he has destroyed, killed, all of them. Then what? Ajnana has become what? Dead body. Kartrutvam also has become dead body. Bhoktrutvam, dead body. Once he has killed them through knowledge, they are all falling. Imagine. Okay, avidya is falling one corner, dead and gone. And its products also Pramatratvam, Bhoktrutvam, Kartrutvam. I am a limited human being, I am suffering, I have this problem, I am body, I am mind, I have this house problems, all of them also dead. Shavaha. Ellaru there. All are Shavaha. Tishtantu. Let them be there. Already dead. Let them be there. Are you afraid of that Shavam? Pratyuta, on the other hand, this warrior is standing with the sword after killing the enemies, standing here. Is it glorification for him or he is afraid of them? Everybody comes and sees at him. Ah, what a great warrior you are. You have killed all of them. Oh, he is not afraid of those dead bodies. On the other hand, he is so happy. And people are coming and praising him. He is so happy. I have killed my enemies. Adi madri, second line. You see, first line, that is the meaning. Bodhena maritaha ajnana tat karya shavaha tishtantu. You can understand easily. Bodhena maritaha, by knowledge they are destroyed. They are all shavas, dead bodies. Like, what are they? Avidya, Ajnanam and Tat Karyam. All of them. Tishtantu, ange irkatume. Let them be there. He is not afraid of them. Na bhitihi. Bodhaha samrajaha. Bodha samrajaha means the knowledge king. Bodha na jnanam. Samrajaha means of that jnanam, that knowledge king. Samrajaha is shashti ekavachanam. Jakarantaha samraj shabdaha. Samraj, samrajo, samrajaha. Shashti ekavachanam here. Samrajaha, bodha samrajaha. Bhitihi na asti. For that Jnani, Jnanam king doesn't have fear. Bhitihi nasti. Bhayam nasti. By seeing whom? In the avidya, kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, all of them have gone, dead and gone. He is not afraid of them. Pratyuta. On the other hand, tasya, for him, taihi kirtihi eva bhavati. Tasya taihi kirti. Taihi means avidya, tat karyam, dead bodies. Adi moolama ivanukku kirti da varum. Parama Veera Chakra title. Apdi kudukalame. Is it not? So many people you have destroyed. You are so great. He is having some kirti. Jnanam king has got a kirti by destroying those enemies called avidya and tat karyam. And the shavam poi even threaten pannuma. Every threaten pannum. Adi madri Jnanam, he is comparing to that Raja when he kills the enemies. He is praised by people. He is not afraid of dead bodies. And he walks on the dead bodies. He walks on, showing that his valor. Adi madri Jnanam king walks on avidya, tat karyam, dead bodies with proud. Whole world praising him. Wonderful Jnani, he is a wise person. Panditaha. Wise people praise him. Kirtihi eva asti. You can supply. Kirtihi eva bhavati. Bhitihi na bhavati parantu kirtihi bhavati. Are you enjoying this sloka? Huh? And this sloka nama thadatmya ahanam. This correct. Enakkuda in the slokam. Apdi sollano. ஓஹோ ஞானியா அப்படியா அப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. நான் தான் அங்கே இருக்கேன். தட் கிங் ஞானம் கிங் மை செல்ஃப். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. நைஸ் ஸ்லோகாஸ். தீஸ் ஆர் ஆல் வெரி வெரி என்ஜாயபிள். 283. ய ஏவ மதி சூரேண बोधेन न वियुज्यते प्रवृत्त्या वा निवृत्त्या वा देहादिगतयास्य किम्. Further explanation of the same idea. Yaha evam atishurena bodhena na viyujjate. Yaha, whoever, that person, wise person, whoever, evam, in this manner, as said above, sloka, manner, in that manner. Who is that wise person? He is a coward or he is a bold? Coward and a very spelling. Is he is a timid person or is a bold person? Bold person. Atishurena, valorous. Atisurena bodhena. With that knowledge, this is an adjective to bodha. With that knowledge, which knowledge is so powerful. Atisura means what? So powerful. Parakramam. Now parakramam don't take literally. Okay. Really parakramanda. Once you have got knowledge, you are not disturbed by the what? Son problem, daughter problem, mother-in-law problem, neighbor problem. Idella problems you have to withstand. You are atisuraha or not? Not only that, your physical ailments, problems, pannuvali, kannuvali, kaluvali, andavali, indavali. So you are withstanding to all of them means you are atisuraha. How we are able to withstand? Mano buddhi hankara chittani naham. Because I cannot change the body-mind complex. Anatma has got umpteen problems. I, the Atma, am free from problems. Once you have this clarity, you are atishuraha. How you have become like that? Bodhena, Atmajnanena, na viyujyate. If he is not separated from this knowledge, if he is not or she is not lose sight of this, when? Not in Panchadashi class. When problems are cropping up, when problems are on surface, they are coming and taunting us. ఏదో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం, ఫిజికల్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఫైనాన్షియల్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీ కార్నర్, ఎనీ nook and corner comes and attacking us, you are wearing the shield, gnanam shield. Aham Brahma Asmi. All these cannot touch me. Let's look into the shloka. Na viyujyate. When he is not separated from that knowledge, when he is not losing sight of, let him be pravrutyava, nivrutyava. Let him be in activities, either mundane activities or sacred activities, or nivrutyava, withdrawing from that activities, not doing anything, just quietly sitting in our nivrutyava. What he is going to lose? Nivrutyava dehadigata asya kim. Asya dehadigata pravritti nivritti. Going towards activities, not going towards activities. What he is going to lose? Is it not? Nothing can disturb him. Either in pravritti also not going to be disturbed. Nivritti also not going to be disturbed. Either way he is happy. What he is going to lose? What loss is there? Either is in pravritti or nivritti. Vidu and the jnanini anupatti peshade ani solrar Vidyaranyar. Then karmi, what about karmi? Karmi also can leave that activities. Ajnani also can leave the activities. When jnani leaves the activities, pravritti, nivritti, no botheration anna. What about ajnani? Ajnani also can leave all activities. Then Acharya says no. In 284. Pravritta vagraho nyayah bodhahinasya sarvatham swargaya vapavargaya yatitavyam yato nrubhih. Very nice, simple sloka only. Vidyaranya says, Jnani alone can either involve in activities or withdraw from the activities, but not Ajnani. Ignorant person, self-ignorant person who has not destroyed the ignorance totally, that person should continue in the karma. Look into the shloka, first line. Bodha hinasya. Bodha means jnanam. Hinasya means the one who doesn't have self-knowledge. Atma jnana rahitaha ityarthaha. Atma jnana rahitaha. Jnana rahitaha. Bodha hinasya. Hinam means without. Bodha means jnanam. Jnana hinaha. Sarvatha. Under all conditions, pravrittauva agraho nyaya. For him, pravritti agraha. Agraha means here committed. He must be committed to pravritti. Agraha means abhinivesha, obsession. That person must be obsessed with what? Puja, japa, dhyana, lot of rituals. He must be obsessed with that, committed with that. Agraha. நான் அது பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும் ஒரு கமிட்மெண்ட் இருக்கணும், கட்டாயமா இருக்கணும் அவனுக்கு. ஏகாதசி, துவாதசி விரதம், ஆல் விரதம்ஸ், fasting, any sort of ritual, he must be committed to that with more attention. Agraha pravrittihi nyayaha, justified, justifiable or justified. Nyayaha, adida correct. Nyayaha na proper. Ajnani must be committed to all the sadhanas, whatever sadhana he or she likes, according to their வைஷ்ணவாசன வைஷ்ணவா. இங்கே ஒன்று போட்டுக்கோ சங்கம், இங்கே ஒரு சக்கரம் போட்டுக்கோ கட்டாயமாக போட்டுக்கணும். சங்க சக்கர அண்ட் செய்வேட் சொன்னால் அந்த ருத்ராட்சை கட்டுறது, so many their symbols. They have to put lot of what you can call lingams. They are called identity marks of that following. I am so and so follower of so and so acharya, so and so swan God, and their steps. Steps means they have their own sadhanas, and you can have the religious marks also. Smartas were what? Ipdi. Vaishnavas ipdi. You and we adikulle. Tengal and idenu sa tengal வடகழ தெங்கல. ஓகே, அது ஒன்று. அப்புறம் பட்டையா விபூதி வச்சுக்கோ, நல்லா பண்ணு, நல்லா பண்ணு. சாப்பிடு, என்ன சாப்பிடுன்னா பொங்கல் சாப்பிடு, சுண்டல் சாப்பிடு, கொடக்கட்டை சாப்பிடு, எல்லாமே சாப்பிடணும். So why they are doing like that? Why they have to do? Swargayava apavargaya. They have to do rituals to go to Swarga, isn't it? They have to do rituals or upasanas either to go to Swarga or to go to Brahmaloka, Kramamukti, or to get Chitta Shuddhi and Jivan Mukti. Either way, these rituals are important. Swarganu ponumananu pannanum, Brahmalokati ponumananu upasana pannanum. No, I don't want Swarga and what Brahmaloka. Then what do you want? Chitta Shuddhi, Vairagyam, Mokshana. For that also you must do. You see? For Chitta Shuddhi, Jnana Yogyata, you have to do Japa, Tapa, Dhyana, Puja, Archana, ella pannanum. Swargayava, Apavargaya. So either for Swarga, Apavarga, or for Moksha. Apavarga means Moksha. Chitta Shuddhi dvara Moksha Prapti. Nribhihi yatitavyam. Nribhihi, by the human beings, by ignorant people. Nribhihi means by ignorant people. Therefore they should not drop. Why it is nyayaha yataha? That's why he gives yataha, because nribhihi yatitavyam swargayava apavargayava yatitavyam. Yatitavyam means they have to put effort. Yatitavyam, they have to put effort. So you can supply. Tataha yatitavyam. Yataha correlative tataha. You can supply. Since they want to go to Swarga or to get Moksha or to get Brahmaloka, Jivan Mukti, Krama Mukti or anything, yataha, they have these desires, ajnanis, tataha, yatitavyam. Therefore they have to put effort. Nannarike slokam karmakanda, adi artham. Next, 285. Vidvamse tadrisham madhyem tishthe tadanurodhatah kayena manasa vacham karotyevakhilah kriyah. If jnani is there along with that ajnanis, suppose this student who is attending the class and attained jnanam and living with the family members, other members they have not attended the class, they are continuing their ignorance and they are going to the temple, puja, this, that and all they are doing. How this jnani has to be there among them, how he should behave? I said, be as an American in America now. Be as a Roman in Rome. Previously. Now I have changed that. Be as American in America. என்ன ரோமுக்கு யாரும் போகிறதே இல்லை, ரோமனா இருக்க போகிறதே இல்லை, எல்லாரும் அமெரிக்காவில் தான் இருக்கா. அதனால அமெரிக்கனா இருக்கணும். ஏன்னா அப்போ தான் யூ கேன் அட்ஜஸ்ட் வித் டெம். அதர்வைஸ் they will shoot. You have to speak only in English. You have to wear only jean pants or shirt, no jeans also. Somehow or other you have to behave like them, like Americans. So they don't feel that you are different race like that. Be as an American in America. அது மாதிரி இந்த ஞானி when he is with among ajnanis, all other members in ajnanis, relatives, friends, all of them are ajnanis. How to do? Just behave like that. Don't show you are a jnani. அதே சொல்றாரு. Whatever Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, same thing he is telling here. In Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 18th sloka, Bhagavan said, Na buddhi bhedam janayet ajnaninam karma sanginam joshayet sarva karmani, Bhagavan said. Adi madri, here also, one more sloka also Krishna said, Sakta karmanya vidvamsaha. Like that, jnani also, just as ignorant person perform actions with saktaha, asakti, similarly, jnani also, vidvan tatha saktaha. Vidvan also should do the same interest, with the same love for that. Gardening, pouring water, cleaning, washing, with all those activities when they are doing puja, archana, all those things he also does. புரியுறதா? இப்ப ஜாகிரதையா இருங்கோ. இந்த வருஷம் ஸ்லோகா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. That is the sloka, Bhagavad Gita sloka. Same idea Acharya presenting. Vidvan chet tadrisham madhye. If he is a vidvan, tadrisham means previous sloka said ajnanis, tadrisham madhye, karminaha madhye tishthet, anurodhataha tishthet, without going against to them, anurodhataha tishthet, in keeping with their activities, this person also should do. Wife, husband is jnani, wife is not a jnani. Husband has to do what? He should not criticize wife. நீ என்ன அன்ன விரதம் இந்த விரதம் எப்பவுமே விரதம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. When she is doing vratam, he has to help her. He knows that he is Brahman, but she doesn't know. But mostly some students, they disturb their husbands or wives. We should not disturb them. On the other hand, we have to help them. நான் பண்ணட்டுமா, ஏதாவது க்ளீன் பண்ணணுமா, ஏதாவது வெத்தலை பார்க்க வேணுமா, நான் சொல்கிறேன் எல்லாம் பண்ணி ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சணும். அது சமத்தா இருக்கிறது. அப்படிதான் இருக்கணுமே தவிர அங்கே போய் அச்சு பிச்சு மாதிரி நீ இன்னும் பூஜையிலேயே இருக்கே, இன்னும் சகுடத்திலேயே இருக்கேன், அப்படிலாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஹூ சேஸ்? நான் சொல்லலை, நான் சொன்ன உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் கோபம் வரும். வித்யாரண்யா சேஸ் ஸ்டில் யூ ஆர் இன் சகுணமான்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஹஸ்பண்டு ஒய்ஃப்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, ஒய்ஃப் ஹஸ்பண்ட்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. இருக்கட்டுமே, one person, one level, they grow slowly. Why you are so restless about them? என்ன இடிச்சுட்டு போக முடியுமா என்ன இது? You can't pull them. You can take the horse near the water, but you cannot make it to drink. இந்த புத்தி இருக்க வேண்டாமோ? நமக்கு நிஜமா ஞானம் வந்தா இருக்கும், அது விஷயம் இல்லை. வார்னிங் தான், ரொம்ப பவர்ஃபுல் வார்னிங் இதெல்லாம். பாருங்க, காயேன மனசா வாச்ச கரோதி ஏவ அகிலாஹ கிரியாஹ ஞானி ஆல்சோ. Without uttering any word, I am a Panchadashi student, I am a Mandukya student, I am a Brahma Sutra student, I don't want to do all these activities. Puja, Sandal, you are still like that only. In the Janmak ni appadida anu sollu. On the other hand, all kriyaha he has to do. Akhilaha kriyaha. What is Krishna? Tell me. He is sitting and talking all the time. Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. Sirichinde enna vela pannitar paarunga. How much work he did. That side Gopikas Dandiya, this side Amma Appa Yashoda ke, so laudable. No, she was so happy with Krishna. And this side Arjuna is so happy. That side Rukmini is also happy. Appa Satyabhama also so happy. And Krishna, Uddhava also is so happy. Krishna is always in his own Ananda Swarupam. But he merges with all people with Prahasan, smiling face. Adha Krishna Ranna. Appadi irukkanum example. All our gods are like that. Rama also, when Sita was taken by Ravana, Rama acted crying. And he lived like an ordinary person. If you are intelligent enough, live like Rama and Krishna. Okay? Don't go and shout at them. உங்களுக்கு ஞானம் இல்லைன்னு தெரியணும் அவங்களுக்கு. அதுதான் உள்ள இருக்கும் ஞானம், உங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியக்கூடாது. That is called intelligent way of living. Living intelligently. Then you are an exemplary to the society. అది కష్టమే స్వామిని, కష్టం ఆనాலும் కూడా for the sake of society. Karuna. And you have to embrace them. Embrace means you go along with their activities, they come along with you. Then they come to know, my God, that's what Arjuna said. Hey Krishna, you have such a knowledge. Sakha iti matva, I took you as an ordinary friend of me, but you are such a great jnani. My goodness. 18th chapter, please forgive me. After seeing Vishwarupam, Arjuna felt very bad. In 18th chapter also, Krishna never showed his knowledge to Arjuna. That is called stealing the heart of all people. If you want to steal at all anything, steal the heart of everyone. அப்படி இருக்கணும், எப்படியே இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்க ஸ்லோகம். காயேனா மனசா வாச்ச, அது பண்ண முடியல இது பண்ண முடியலன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Physical, verbal and mental. That is why all our acharyas, they do all activities. That's why now I have to change. Even sannyasi is only not Veda Parayanam, not Bhashya Parayanam. Previously I was telling, sannyasa is only for study. I was so exactly what Shastra says, adida appadida irkanum solliட்டு இருந்த முன்னாடி. இந்த கலியுகத்தில் அப்படியெல்லாம் முடியாது. Sannyasi can take like Aditya Yogi மாதிரி, Yogi Aditya. அப்படி மாற்றணும். According to the days we have to change. Firebrand, Sadhvi Ritambara and Uma Bharati and Yogi Aditya. Some monks are required. The monks battalion it is called. From a monks battalion. When dharma is degrading, we require some people who are powerful. That is why he is able to do so many things now. Yogi Aditya, Uma Bharati, Sadhvi Ritambara, many of them are there. So we can change our dialogue now. I am changing now onwards. I am going to change. Because as the days are changing, we have to change. That is why many sannyasis, swamis are coming to the society and they are taking up so many activities required. They are all required. Okay, now I have to change according to days, in keeping with. But intact, your knowledge is not going to be disturbed. But you are doing some good to the society, for the well-being of society. Anyhow, your knowledge is not going to be disturbed. Suppose Jnani is among those mumukshus. Suppose there are some mumukshus. When I go outside, I am normal. But when you all hear what I say, na karmana na prajayadhane na tyage na, உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன், வெளியில சொல்ல மாட்டேன். புரியுறதா? If I go to Ajnani people, I encourage that karma. When the particular mumukshus have come here, I say for all of you what? Next shloka. 286. Esha madhye bhuvutsunam yada tishtet tada punah bodhayesham kriya sarvah doshayestyajatu swayam. If that Jnani is among mumukshus, he says, Eshaha, this Jnani, bhuvutsunam madhe. Bhuvutsu means bodhum ichha bhuvutsa. There are some mumukshus, those who are desirous of knowing the truth. Bhuvutsunam madhe. Nirdharane shashti. Among those mumukshus, jignasus, if this Jnani is there. That's why I consider who are all coming to the class, they are all jignasus. And a jignasu only come to the class. Mumukshu only come to the class and continue the class. If he is not a mumukshu or a bhuvutsu, he will not continue or she will not continue. Therefore, I am sitting on the platform nicely, I can boldly talk. What? How long you are going to do karma? How long you are going to do rituals? How long you are going to do japa tapana? Drop. Enough. Come to the class. Listen. That is why we don't do puja any here. We don't do any japa. We don't do any sort of arati. Yeah. You are all jignasus. Therefore I don't want to do all those things. புரியுறதா? என்ன கிருஷ்ணர் பற்றி சொல்கிறார், கிருஷ்ணர் ஃபோட்டோ கூட இல்லையே, உத்தவர் ஃபோட்டோ இல்லையே. இது ஞான காண்டா. That's why we don't encourage. That is why many times I don't keep in temples also. Puja Swamiji also says, don't keep classes in the temple. And the temple people, they are different. They are all bhaktas. For them, Vedanta is not ideal. Karma is ideal. That is why generally I choose such a place where there is no any barriers, all people can come. We have to choose such a type of place. This is a Vedanta class. We have to tell them what? Bhuvutsuna madhye yatha tishtet. If Jnani is among these people, Bhuvutsu and Jignasu, tada punaha, then again, what he has to say? Bodhaya esham kriya sarvaha doshayan. For them, he has to give bodha, knowledge. Esham bodhaya. For them, with knowledge. What knowledge? Tattvamasi, tattvamasi, tattvamasi mahavakya. Panchakosha viveka prakriya, avasthatraya viveka prakriya. All these prakriyas we have to say. Avarana, Vikshepa, technically goes very, very deep subject. It goes. Many times it goes beyond our head, but we try to keep in our head. What to do? We are trying to understand. Somehow we are managing to understand. Because I have managed and understood. You also manage and understand. Why not? What is there? Anyhow you are Brahman. We need not go anywhere to run away from our search for Brahman. Okay, அது ஒரு நமக்கு silver line, okay, plus point. Okay, bodhaya esham kriyaha sarvaha dushayan na karmana na prajayadhane na tyage naike amritatvamanasu. அப்படி சொல்றோம். na punyam na papam na saukyam na dukkham anu solli na me dvesha ragau na me lobha mohau. You are Satchidananda Swarupa. You are not pati patni putra. எவ்வளோ ஜோவியெல்லாம் இருக்க பாருங்க ஸ்லோகாஸ் எல்லாமே. This is what you have to learn in the world. Jnani is having a facility. That is called facility, knowledge facility. Okay. Kriyaha sarvaha doshayan. Not only doshayan, swayam tyajatu. He himself or herself drops. No puja, no anushthanam, nothing. Only acting. Suppose any time we have to do. Vedila solladungo. Acting. Swayam tyajatu. Gnani himself drops. Why? Naiva tasya krite narthaha nakrite neha kaschana. Nothing is there to accomplish. Fulfilled. Purnaha. Therefore, Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.